Today we're diving into the world of email marketing with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a versatile marketing platform used by businesses of all sizes to engage with their audience through email campaigns, newsletters, and automation. It's typically utilized by entrepreneurs, marketers, and small businesses to connect with their customers and drive growth. Let's explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Extensive integrations. Mailchimp integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and platforms, providing versatility and scalability for your marketing efforts. Advanced analytics. Gain valuable insights into your email performance with Mailchimp's robust analytics dashboard, including open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement metrics. A/B testing. Test different email variations to optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness and conversion rates. E-commerce tools. Mailchimp offers e-commerce features such as product retargeting emails and abandoned cart recovery, ideal for online retailers.
Mailchimp offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. The free plan allows users to send up to 10,000 emails per month to up to 2,000 subscribers, with basic features included. Paid plans start at $9.99 per month for the Essential plan, offering additional features like custom branding and advanced analytics. The Standard plan, starting at $14.99 per month, increases the subscriber limit and unlocks more automation options, while the Premium plan, starting at $299 per month, provides advanced features like multivariate testing and phone support. Users praise Mailchimp for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to create and send email campaigns, set up automation, and analyze results. With Mailchimp, users can quickly design eye-catching emails, segment their audience effectively, and track performance metrics with ease, making it a top choice for marketers and entrepreneurs alike. The pros of using Mailchimp include its intuitive interface, customizable templates, powerful automation features, detailed analytics, and seamless integrations. However, potential cons may include pricing limitations for larger lists and a learning curve for advanced automation and segmentation. Alternative email marketing platforms to Mailchimp include Constant Contact, ConvertKit, Aweber, and GetResponse. Each platform offers similar services with varying features, pricing structures, and user experiences, providing users with options to find the email marketing solution that best fits their needs and goals. In conclusion, Mailchimp offers a comprehensive email marketing solution with its customizable templates, audience segmentation, marketing automation, A/B testing, analytics, and integrations. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, Mailchimp provides the tools and resources to engage with your audience effectively and drive growth. Sign up for Mailchimp today to elevate your email marketing efforts and take your business to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insights and tips on maximizing your digital marketing strategy. Thank you for watching.